Hey, Coach Greg here with Sculpt Training. Today we have a best seated workout for toned arms. Let's get and burn some fat. So let's get started with our first exercise, which also will serve as our warm up. We got arm circles. Let's put 30 seconds on the clock. If I can pull up my app, and here we go. So arms straight out to your side, and we are just going to rotate over just like this. We're going to start small. The name of the game is really extending and reaching with your fingertips. You want to elongate as far as you can. And then we're gonna go a little medium, then we go bigger, really rotate and massage that rotator cuff. And then we're gonna switch in 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna go the opposite direction. Again, start small. You wanna also sit up nice and tall as well. Go a little medium now, bigger. And done. Great job. Moving right along, we have arm scissors. This is really gonna put some pressure and tension on our triceps. So here we go, 30 seconds, and let's go. You just wanna reach out straight in front of you, and you are just going to alternate having one arm in front of you. Again, really reach with your fingertips. You'll be able to see how elongated and stretched I am. I'm not loose, I'm not here, it's like boom. Keep it here. You're gonna feel it all up in your triceps as well. Really extend. Just reach out right in front of you. Arms are gonna be tired. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake them out. We got some overhead presses coming up right now. Got 30 seconds on the clock. Just gonna want your arms to be at a 90-degree angle, and you're gonna press right overhead. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So you're here, boom, just press right overhead, just like this. If you're having issues with your rotator cuff, instead of coming at a complete 90-degree angle from the side, you can boom, keep your elbow in, so it's more about a 45-degree, and that should take away any pressure that you may be feeling while still getting similar results that we want with our arms. So just pressing right overhead, bam. You don't have to sink your elbows deep. At least 90 degrees is enough to get you where you want to go. 3, 2, and down. Great job. Last, we have some chest flies. Again, name of the game, reach with your fingertips. We are going to focus on opening up, squeezing. We want our elbows to drive backwards. You're going to feel your chest expand, your back tighten, and we're going to squeeze at the top. So here we go, 3, 2, and 1. So reach out in front. Pull those elbows back and squeeze just like this. You're gonna feel it all up in here. Your upper body is gonna feel very sore, very filled with lactic acid, but it's gonna feel amazing. Really stretch, squeeze. You're doing great. Come on, a couple more seconds. I'll go from the side so you can see. I'm squeezing. Just like here, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. There you have it. That was your first set of the seated arm toning workout. Let's grab some water and we'll finish strong with 2 more sets. Arm circles, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Arm scissors, 3, 2, 1, go. Overhead press, 3, 2, 1, go. Chest flies, 3, 2, 1, go. You're doing amazing. That's 2 sets down, 1 more to go. Let's grab some water. Alrighty, 1 more set to go. You got this. Come on, finish strong. Arm circles, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Arm scissors, 3, 2, 1, go. Overhead press, 3, 2, 1, go. Chest flies, 3, 2, 1, go. And that's how you get some toned arms from a sitting workout. Hope you loved it as much as I did. Go ahead and click that notification bell if you haven't already. Subscribe, let people know, tell friends like, hey, Coach Greg, Coach Mary, Coach Gabby, they have amazing workouts. And you know, hopefully your body becomes like a walking testimonial where like, oh my gosh, how come you look so fit? You could be like, Coach Greg gets me right. I hope to see you in the next video, so stay strong, my friend. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.